Hello guys, good morning from Portugal. Hola, buen dia. Okay, today I have 3 Rapido 500 euro. Fast 500 guys, 20x. Sis, 19, sisang di 19 euros. Vamos comisar, let's start. Let's start with 20x. I've taken number 32, 33. We're looking for 30, 22, 15, 35, 34, 23, 19, 13, 13, 31. Ay, 22 is a winner. 28, 32. How much? The famous 2 euro. Okay. 33. So over here. We're looking for 27, 32, 21, 11, 34, 13, 28, 19, 16, 12, 24, 31. So this is not a winner. Okay. Let's go to Rapido 500. Rapido 500 euro. Jackpot is 500. Okay. I have ticket number 23, 24, 25. 23, 24, 25. In the bonus area, guys, we're looking for Rapidos, the word Rapido to win 50. And here we're looking for Euro symbol. It's very easy. Okay. Bonus. Same bonus. No bonus in English, guys. Now we're looking for Euro symbol. Very simple ticket. Looking for Euro symbol. This symbol, guys. I have gold, guys. No sign of winning. No, so this is not a winner. 23. Let's go to 24. At least I find one win. I would like to win in this area. Rapido. No. Bonus. Bonus. This is not a winner. Here we're looking for Euro symbol. There's no sign of Euro symbol. Oh, Lord of mercy. Nothing. No. 2 losing tickets. Maybe this is the last chance. 25. Rapido. I thought I won the bonus, but no. 50. To win the bonus, guys, 50. Nothing. I bought 3 and so far there's no sign of winning, guys. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 chances. 12 chances to win. Oh Lord, there's no win, guys. I bought 3 and there's no win. Okay, so there's no win in this session, guys. Nada. No, I got €2. I got €2 only. Okay. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.